You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, it's you.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
May mga taong dadaanin ka sa kilig, may mga nambobola, gigimik sa awit, may mahilig magdadrama at may nagpapasweet, may dumededma pa at kunwari masungit. Akala ko pa naman kung ako'y mai-in-love, parang eksena sa sine, may kilig at kintab. Parang Korean novela sa Pilipino dinab, naglalambingan sa Paris o saan man mapadpad. Pero bakit ganyan? Bakit ganito? Hanggang ngayon tinatanong ko, pag-ibig na ba ang feelings na to? Habang umiinom ng gulaman at sago, para bagka magaspang gago. Di ka gentleman, may sayad sa ulo, pero tuwing magkakasama